get situated. I'm in a rock wall. I'm gonna get up there on the stone. Well, that's where I was. We've had 2 pretty mornings weather-wise. Yeah. No wind. Wind blowing in the evening though. Yeah. We didn't hear nothing yesterday evening. Wind was blowing. We're gonna find out here in just a minute what we got. Yep. Nothing so far. Ow. Woo, 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 woo. Toast. Ow, that way. Woo, 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 woo. I don't think we can hear them. I'm walking right here and I just heard one gobble. Right here. Down this drain. Pull up here and see where he's at. I thought I heard the tail end of it. Oh, I heard him good. Really? Yeah. He's gonna come out now. Ow, one time. Ow, this way. He wasn't far. I think we ought to go right down this edge and we can get in there closer. Let's circle around. He's down this draw here.
Y'all ready? Let's go. We are Team Wingman, and we call that boot home.
Our turkey hunting experience began when the gobbler killed his first turkey in 1933.
He just gobbled. We were up here in this field on the tip of that drain, and he gobbled. He was right here. So we just got to the edge of this field, got in a little tree line here. I think he was close enough to call to him, so I'm gonna call to him. Could have been a little further than I thought he was. You got one minute. You gotta watch there. And I'm gonna watch that. Okay. That was him right there. He's right there. About 10 o'clock. That's where you took him? Where is that? I heard him good then. I think he might be working this way. Hey. He was closer that time. He was a little bit closer. The reason we could hear him better up there is because we was up on the hill. Right. Looking over at him. We dropped down when we come down. I can't believe how different they sound in the woods than in the field. Yeah. He's fixing to get fired up now. Yeah. think he can hear me.
He can't hear you.
He definitely come this way.
Yeah.
We're just hanging out here. That turkey gobbled right here. It's been about 30 minutes.
He just not gobbling.
Yeah, he ain't gobbling. But I'm hoping, what is it, 7:30? I'm hoping he'll time at 7:45.
7:45.
We're kind of hoping that, they're going that low, usually between 7:30 and 8:30 or 9. We know he ain't far. I hope maybe he'll go back to gobbling. Probably got a hen with him, fooling with her maybe when she goes to lay. That's what will get his attention then, what we're hoping.
He's the only thing between me and breakfast.
So we're gonna give him a little time here just to hang out, see if he goes back to gobbling. What's the matter? Go. 42. The wind blowing. And no gobble right now. This turkey here won't gobble. He's getting hungry and cold, wanting to go back to the cabin. Get something to eat and warm up. The wind's starting to blow. Give him a few more minutes. You heard him?
I hear him.
He done gone back to gobbling.
Copy.
I heard him.
You did hear him just then.
Mm-hmm. Heard him gobble down here. He was here earlier. Now he's here. Yeah, we'll slide on down here. He's mad now. You don't get to go get breakfast. I think that turkey's gonna come this way. If I can just get him in earshot of the old wing bone, put the smack madam on him. He's just hurrying. He's right there. He's closer. We need to get in. We can go. That's pretty right there. Get our seat on. No, I don't see him. Oh, yeah, I got him. Yeah. Coming. That's too far. When he gets in that open, smoking. How'd you miss that turkey? He run off or something. How did you miss that turkey?
yards.
Huh?
40 yards.
How do you know it's 40? You ranged it? I put it on him. I don't know if it's through them few little bushes. But he looked like to me, he looked like he was going to turn back and go back.
He was coming back.
I know, but when he was coming this way, and then he stopped, and then he turned back. And I said, I thought he was going to come out in the wide open. That's where I wanted to kill him. But when he come this way, he turned around, looking that way, I thought. And I picked the gun up. I said, is that too far? But all I had was, that much of his head.
You shot him at 45. 45.
Yeah, but it wasn't clear, though.
I told you he was going to come out right there. I said, wait to let him come out in the damn opening.
I thought he went down, though.
I saw him run that way. I saw him run through that opening.
I wish they had a 8-inch shell and a bazooka, and I'd start shooting that.
Right on the money, 9 o'clock.
Born to lose, that's all it is to it.
Nope. I told you to wait.
No, you didn't. I said, is that close enough?
No, I said, wait till he comes out in that little opening right there. I said, he's going to come out right there. That's where he was headed. And when I saw him, I saw him up there. And then I saw him right there by that little old bush where it does that, the little old bush. And that's where you shot him first time. And then he come out in the opening and was running that way, and you shot him. And then you shot him again there, and I saw him run that way.
Why he went why he come there and then come that way like that? Why he didn't just stay in that opening? And then it'd have been just, we'd have just let him keep coming until he stopped and turned around. But he come like this, and if he'd got over here, it was going to be disaster then.
Mm-hmm.
And when he come down in there, but he turned and went back. But when he got in that little gap, it looked like to me, he stopped looking up here and turned around like he was going to go back. And that was the best shot I was going to get. And I didn't think if he'd have walked back like that, we wasn't going to call him back.
It's 48 where that little old thing is there.
Mm-hmm.
See the bush, the green?
Yeah.
Right there where he was standing there, it was 40 steps.
But he was on the other side of it.
Mm-hmm.
But that stuff was in the way, but I had his head.
Maybe just a tad too far, I don't know. I thought you was going to kill him when he was running away from you straight away. He ain't phased.
Well, that's because I shot. And then I just thought he went down. I put my gun down. And then and you said you missed him. And I looked and he come out. I thought he went down and went to flopping. I was fixing to get up and run over there. Just always getting too big of a hurry. It ain't never gonna fix it either. I mean, that's 38 years now and it ain't getting no better and it ain't gonna get no better.